This is Oliver Slope with Blue Line Futures coming to you from the floor of the CME here in Chicago with your livestock roundup. We saw the cattle complex take a little bit of a turn today towards the lower end of some of these technical levels that we've been looking at. We haven't seen a lot of cash develop, but I think that's supportive to the market. I don't think cash is necessarily going to fall apart, so we're using that as a fundamental backdrop to buy off of some of these technical support levels. For the October fat cattle contract, we defended the 50-day moving average, 108.75. That's going to be key on a closing basis this week. But I think more significantly, it's going to be 109.55 to wrap up the week. If we're able to achieve a close above here, I think that could get the ship going back in the right direction. That level represents the 50% retracement from the recent high to low. Now, as far as the feeder cattle are concerned, I'm a little bit less optimistic. We're starting to form a little bit of a head and shoulders pattern. If you look back on the chart, July 5th, we made a shoulder. July 18th, we made a head. And August 3rd, we made the other shoulder. Head and shoulders is typically a bearish indicator. If we continue to make lower highs and lower lows off of that right shoulder, I think that opens the door for a run towards 145.50 to 146.50. This represents a 100-day moving average and a key retracement on the year. Now moving over and wrapping things up with the lean hogs. Lean hogs caught a nice bid, limit up. Now, is this going to be a relief rally or sustained rally? That has yet to be determined. We're going to need to see follow-through momentum in tomorrow's session and ideally close out above 52.50. This is a very big technical level. If the bulls cannot achieve this, I think the sellers step back in at better prices. So is a bottom in? I would not go out on a limb just yet. Remember, the bottom is a process, not necessarily a point. So that's what we're looking at. That's what you should be looking at too. This has been Oliver Slope with Blue Line Futures from the floor of the CME.